Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Life. Let's move directly to our topic today and learn and earn from content creation smartly and efficiently.
Listen carefully because every point is important from here. Identify passion and expertise. Determine what subjects or topics you are passionate about and have expertise in. This will make it easier for you to create engaging and valuable content. Define target audience. Understand who your target audience is and what they are interested in. This will help you tailor your content to their needs and preferences. Plan your content strategy. Develop a content strategy that outlines the types of content you will create, set the frequency of your posts, and the platforms you will use to reach your audience. A content calendar that outlines the frequency and schedule of your content publication.
Platform selection. Determine the platforms you will use to distribute your content based on your audience's preferences and the nature of your content.
This can include social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, or specific content sharing platforms like Medium. When selecting platforms, consider your target audience's preferences, the nature of your content, and the platform's features and capabilities.
SEO and keywords. Incorporate search engine optimization techniques into your content strategy.
Research relevant keywords in your niche and optimize your content to improve its visibility in search engine results. Content promotion. This can include sharing your content on social media, leveraging email newsletters, collaborating with influencers or partners, or utilizing paid advertising. Iteration and adaptation. Continuously evaluate and refine your content strategy based on audience feedback, performance metrics, and industry trends. Remember, regularly assess its effectiveness and make adjustments to ensure you are delivering value to your audience while achieving your goals.
Thanks for your watching and don't forget to subscribe to Creative Life. We will be coming soon with the last topic of this finance series.